Passive income, also referred to as residual income, is money earned by not actively working. Rather than exchanging your time for money, as the majority of people do in their 9-to-5 jobs, passive income is all about letting money flow in even though you are not actively working. And while it may sound appealing to sit back on a beach somewhere and watch the money roll in, the fact is that creating a steady stream of passive income typically requires some effort. If it were easy, everybody would do it. Passive income does not magically appear. It is created by repurposing existing assets. And regardless of the type of income-generating assets, there are only two ways to build them. 1. Make a financial investment. If you have a large amount of cash, you can invest it directly. Typically, these types of passive income sources require little effort. Consider them a way to put your money to work and generating returns for you. 2. Invest of time and effort. If you lack additional cash on hand, you may need to work manually to create your passive income asset. Although some financial costs will remain, the majority of your investment would be in time and effort. Long-term benefits could be greater. With that out of the way, let us explore the 7 best passive income ideas. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 1. Invest with a Robo-Advisor. Investing is often regarded as the foundation of any wealth-building strategy. Previously, only the rich could afford to have their savings handled by a financial professional. It was simply too costly for the average person to begin. Now fast forward to the present day, and technology has made investing more available to the general public. Rather than relying on a single person to control your finances, robo-advisors handle everything for you, even if you are new to investing and only have a small amount of money to invest. Betterment is one such robo-advisor that creates a customized, professionally managed portfolio for you. Simply tell it a little about yourself and your long-term investment goals, finance your account, and it will take care of the rest. 2. Open a high-yield savings account. If you have a conventional savings account, the odds are that the interest rate on your money is negligible. Indeed, the national average annual percentage yield on savings accounts is about 0.09%. Just too low to generate any real income. Fortunately, online banks have exploded onto the scene with some truly irresistible interest rates. Increased interest equals more money earned on your savings. Why are interest rates on online savings accounts so much higher than at traditional brick-and-mortar banks? In a single word, overhead. Due to the absence of physical branches and all the costs associated with them, such as tellers, leases, and utilities, online banks can offer their customers significantly higher interest rates. Historically, if anyone desired a guaranteed +% return on their money, they could frequently only obtain such returns via a certificate of deposit. The disadvantage of this strategy is that the money is locked up for the duration of time. On the other hand, highly rated savings accounts make it much easier to access your money when you need it. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of making money by promoting the goods and services of other people or businesses and earning a commission on each sale you produce. Assume you'd like to earn a commission when someone purchases a mattress online. Given that the majority of mattress companies pay a 5% commission and the average price of a good quality bed sold on the internet is about $1,000, you will earn $50 for each bed sold as a result of your recommendation. Sounds reasonable in theory. However, how do you begin? One of the most effective ways to begin is to create your own blog. A blog is essentially your website where you can write about whatever you want. The most popular bloggers and affiliate marketers typically focus exclusively on a single niche or topic. Returning to the mattress example, an affiliate who blogs about sleep, sleep habits, sleep hygiene, tips and tricks, etc. would be an excellent fit for mattress companies. 4. Create an online course. Perhaps you are knowledgeable about a particular topic. You can create an online course on anything from algebra to guitar and sell it via a website such as Udemy or Teachable. The beauty of this approach is that once you've created the course, you'll continue to be compensated for each new student who enrolls. Which platform should you select? Teachable and Udemy are only two of numerous platforms, but they are the most common, and both are intuitive and user-friendly. Teachable gives you more leverage over your course's pricing and design, but you don't get a built-in audience. Other than that, you could do all ads on your own. Udemy has a built-in student base, but you lose leverage and it takes a larger cut of your sales. 5. Invest in crowdfunding real estate. Many people believe that investing in real estate is the pinnacle of passive income. In an ideal world, you will own a piece of property that produces income through rent and appreciates over time, resulting in high returns. The issue is that starting a business usually requires a significant amount of upfront capital. Nowadays, investing in real estate is possible without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a single home. For example, a real estate investment trust is a pool of money managed by experienced real estate investors. The pooled funds are used to invest in real estate. Investors invest in the REITs. The REITs acquires assets, and the REITs distribute the profits to investors. The best thing is that you won't have to think about landlord responsibilities. This is a completely passive income source. Although most REITs also require a sizable initial investment, Fundrise allows you to gain access to millions of solid, value-producing assets for as little as $500. Overall, it's a simple way to diversify your assets and gain exposure to a previously inaccessible market. 6. Rent your space. If you are a homeowner, renting out a room on your property can be an excellent source of passive income. You can rent out any room you own or have permission to rent through neighbor.com, including but not limited to your garage, bedroom, RV parking area, basement, and so on. Neighbor recommends a price range based on similar listings in your neighborhood, but you set your prices. Users can request to reserve your room via the app. Before approving the listing, you can review each candidate's profile and contact them for additional details about the items they wish to store. The renter is responsible for terminating the arrangement. Therefore, if you meet someone who requires long-term storage, you will gain passive income per month they keep their belongings with you. You will be covered as a host by Neighbor's $1 million general liability insurance policy. Neighbor promises automatic payment on its end, ensuring that you can continue to be paid even though your renter defaults. 7. Sell pictures online. Have you ever wondered how to earn money taking photographs? As it turns out, it's very easy. Shutterstock is one of the best places for monetizing your images. Shutterstock has paid out over $500 million to its donors since its founding in 2003. Due to its popularity and low entry barriers, regardless of your skill level, this site will act as a passive income source. Create an account, upload your pictures, and receive money whenever a customer downloads one of your images. The revenue generated by each download is determined by the type of customer who purchases the image. If a customer subscribes to a monthly service and downloads your image, you will receive less than if the customer purchases your image separately. Finally, you can choose a few or all of these passive income ideas. The best direction for you will depend on your short and long-term goals, the amount of time you have available, the amount of money you wish to gain, and the number of hours you are willing to work.